Riewshemphang kilakam balada Jumai ba lani great Shillong earthquake jong usnam kha praspa khandai phunyo ukhe byang hakano kanu kapor ka jingjulor kan long ka bashir khai Professor Devesh Walia Nagatnat Pulia School of Human and Environmental Science Northeastern Hill University ulabu jingkili Halor kila Jingpynkhreh but ong bakistat seismologist kila lum jingkhen balada uju Jumai ukhe hakapor shiteng senya kabadunaru sanlak ngut kibrieu kin sadu no elaka jingim hakajuk bementa da kababu jingmut ya ki jingma bat ka jingbun kibrieu katei ka jingelang kala pelet jingmut ru Halor ka seismic hazard early warning system bat kilat Jingpynkhreh ha ka imlang ka salang
Gupta, he is a renowned seismologist. So around some time back they have calculated that if the same magnitude earthquake comes in the night 12 a.m. in the night, then a minimum 5 lakh people will lose their life in the present day scenario, considering the present day vulnerabilities, considering the population here. So it is going to be huge if it occurs, similar magnitude earthquake occurs. So we need to be cautious of any such catastrophic events because they don't occur very often and their residence time is for 2 minutes maximum. But during that time they may bring in lot of devastation. So we need to be prepared so that we are not caught unprepared.
Ka khun nyautrep